Welcome to my channel. Disclaimer: this video made for education purpose only. If you have anyone that's responsible, only you. We see information gathering previous video using Google Dork and Google Dorking tool that collect information about the target. So if you do not see this video, please go ahead and check this video, link description below. So today we will discuss about VPN information about the target. We know that about VPN, many company using VPN service. So how to collect VPN information, company or any domain. So let's start. Exploit DB website. Here we find Dork, type exploit DB. And here you can see the first link, exploit DB. So open it. After open this website, you can see Google hacking database. Click this option, search VPN. So here you can see VPN related Dork is entitled open VPN status monitor. First we open this Dork. First we check this Dork and find some information about our target. So copy this text and here paste it and enter. So here you can see some result. If you any target company or domain, you can write this target name. So here I use google.com demo purpose only and hit enter. So here you can see nothing found. So try another Dork. So here you can see file containing juicy info. So using this Dork we find .ovpn file. So here paste it and hit enter, and you can see lot of result, and click on this any one. You can see here directory file, and if you're your target domain, you can type your target domain. And you can find those information. And here you can see another Dork. This Dork uses for login portal. So copy this Dork and paste it and enter, and see here web login. Click on this and you can see here login portal has opened. And here is another Dork. Begin open VPN static key. So file containing juicy info type. So search this Dork. And here you find OpenVPN static key. So here lot of information about VPN. So if you like this video, please share and like. If you do not understand, please comment below. If you still watching, thank you. Thanks for watching this video.